I wanted to make a quick video about this recent radio project I've been working on. This is another Small Wonder Labs SW series QRP CW transceiver. This one for the 20 meter band, and I got it working very nicely. I had a little bit of problem with the alignment, trying to get the side tone into the right range. Couldn't get it up past about 500 Hertz. It's much lower than I wanted it to be, and even no matter what value I put in C29, couldn't get any higher. But looking at the schematic, I found C28 and combined a few capacitors to get the range, I think around 700 or 800 Hertz, which is pretty good. Right at the peak response, I think, basically, so that's good. Let's see. I have this N3ZI frequency counter, and I just got that all calibrated and it's working very nicely. And I got a good range with the radio. Covers the whole CW portion of the 20 meter band, just below, and using the standard tuning pot that came with the SW, I can get it up to 14074.75. So it's nice to have the PSK frequency in there, 14070, because there's almost always activity there, and you can know instantly how the band is just by going to that frequency. I got it tuned, peaked. It puts out about 2 watts with 13.8 volts in with this power supply that I'm using anyway, and 2 watts across the band, so that's good. This is going to be for, everything is kind of a mess here. When you're working on projects like this, it tends to get that way. This is another touch keyer, model P4, which will eventually be integrated into this new case. So I build these radios in these boxes, if you don't know already. So this will be this is the future home of this, all of this. And this is the touch keyer on the side here, on the corner, just like this. This is the 40 meter version that I recently built, and you can send just by touching. That one's not working for some reason, but I probably should transmit without an antenna anyway. But oh, one other thing, the way I was testing this, I just made a QSO, a contact with someone. It was like a 9 station, I don't know where he is, probably Michigan or Wisconsin area or something like that. I was trying to call him, and the way I was sending, I'm using 2 programs. One is CW get for the receive, so I can have a little scope there, I can see where the activity is, at least at an audio level, and then CW type. I'm using an little interface, USB interface, something called a Rig Blaster plug-and-play, and it has CW out, so temporarily, instead of using a straight key or some other paddle, I can send code using the keyboard. I can demonstrate. Let me put this into, let's see, put it into the dummy mode, dummy load mode. Okay, so just typing. Turn up the volume a bit. So just by typing on the keyboard, it's hard to do when I'm recording, but so that's actually keying the radio as I type. Anyway, it's kind of fun. Anyway, I thought I was contacting a station somewhere around the Lake Michigan area, but turned out to be Lithuania. So the band is open, so that's neat. Okay. Hope I didn't bore you too much. Bye.